Over a year and a half ago, civil war broke out in Sudan, and hundreds of thousands were displaced overnight, including many persecuted Christians. Many fled to Egypt with nothing, no food, water or medical care, after days of travel and carrying overwhelming trauma, heartache and loss. Our field ministers in Egypt, Tariq and Rami, met with them in their suffering. Mobilizing local churches, they assembled a ministry team near the border, providing food, medical care and shelter to thousands of refugees. Our team reminded them that they're seen and loved by God as we shared the hope of Christ. Over the course of a year and a half, God has deeply blessed our ministry to these Sudanese refugees. Many who had never heard the gospel before have come to faith in Christ. Our crisis response programs have since ministered to thousands of Sudanese people. We have distributed thousands of emergency relief kits through cities throughout Egypt, providing a month's worth of dry food goods to families. Our winter relief outreaches have ensured that children have warm coats, hot meals and Christian books. We've put on several enduring faith conferences where many were baptized. Our safe houses provided emergency shelter to those believers fleeing persecution. And through our enduring livelihood ministry, Sudanese believers are finding paths of dignity and independence through small business ownership.
فرح عظيم يعني انه ربنا يسوع المسيح يعني قبل الدعوات وبالمساعده بتاعتكم انتم يعني نشكر ربنا بيجا فرح حتى بيها معونه لبنته الصغيره واولادي ويعني اشتغلنا حلو يعني الدنيا ماشيه معانا حلوه فنشكر ربنا يعني نشكر ربنا على النعمه اللي احنا فيها.
We're grateful to God for the opportunity to minister to these brave refugees who've lost everything. Will you partner with us this year to help us continue our ministry, rescuing, restoring and rebuilding the lives of Sudanese refugees?